Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another driving video. It's a rain drive in Portmore. So I'm on Braeton Parkway, heading to the Portmore Pines area. So I'm just taking you guys along with me on this rainy afternoon in Portmore City. So again, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. So subscribe and join the Roshain review family. Remember to like the video, share, and leave a comment as well. So Portmore City, the Sunshine City, getting some rain today. So it's a rain drive in Portmore. So stay tuned guys, drive along. Area is called the Portmore Pines area. That's the popular name for it. For persons who take the public transportation, it's route 20. Stay tuned. A lot of fruit vendors on the right, just in front of the Sovereign Village, and then beside Sovereign Village you have Sunshine Outlet Mall. Over by the Sunshine Outlet Mall, you also have the Sunshine Palace. That's a cineplex here in Portmore. For years, persons have been asking, for a cineplex in Portmore. So they finally got that. Alright, so the rain has stopped a little bit. Alright guys, so I'll be going over this mall, so I'm just bringing you guys along. We have Island Grill and a lot of other food places and stuff like that. A lot of shops, lots of stores. And then this 3-floor building is new, recently constructed. Then you have the IBEX BPO, that's the red, gray, and white. Apex Medical, Dunn's Electrical, so a lot of different shops, a lot of different stores. You have betting, gambling, restaurant, barber. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pause a bit. I'm gonna take care of some business, then come back with you guys and continue the drive. So just a moment, I'm running out for a second. Alright guys, so I'm back. That was an intermission, so thanks for waiting. So we're back on the drive. So let me just finish with this mall and then go back onto the main road. Sun City FM is also over on this plaza. It's a radio station. That's their vehicle right there. So Sun City 104.9. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn right here. So Jamaica Bank, Scotia Bank, Sagicor Bank. So this is a little town center by itself. So you have Torpedo Loan, Singer Furniture. Alright, so let's head back onto the main. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're back on the main, passing back the Sovereign Village and the Sunshine Plaza. Alright, what I'm gonna do is take a quick swing inside the Sovereign Village, just a literal spin around, and then I just end the video from there. So this is the Sovereign Village, Portmore Pines area, very developed area, a lot of shopping options. So on this plaza, Sovereign Village, we have Progressive Foods, Chinese restaurant, Fish Pot, Subway, Digicel, Blake's Water Store. They have a food court. So lots of option here. So just taking a quick spin around for you guys. And then down this side we have Wendy's, Domino's Pizza, Broadbent, Monarch Pharmacy. So some of the places on this plaza, Sovereign Village Shopping Center. Let me just go this side, and then we can basically finish the video. Alright guys, and again, thanks for all the support. Thanks for watching this far. Thanks for every comment, every like, every share. Highly appreciated. So this was just a quick drive around Portmore. We started out with some rain, and then we're gonna end the video here at the Sovereign Village Shopping Center. So thanks again, guys, and remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share. Alright, guys, and what I'm just gonna do is just to give you a glimpse of the Palace, or sorry, Sunshine Outlet Mall, which has the Sunshine Palace Cinema as well. I know I already mentioned that I was gonna end the video, but since I'm here, why not show you guys over this side? I've done previous videos, but I know some persons may have missed it. I think the cinemas, though, what they did was to change their time to much earlier time slots, because curfews now start at 8 p.m. So the latest showing I'm seeing on this is 4:15. So obviously shows like, our movies like Greenland, Doolittle, Hard Kill, you know, those are some of the movies showing right now. So much earlier start time, because we're now going through a 8 p.m. curfew, so can't have no late showing again. So this is the Sunshine Outlet Mall right beside the Sovereign Village. I also have a much more in-depth video on this mall and Sovereign Village as well, so you guys can check that out on the channel. Alright, guys, so I think we can end here. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment, guys. Comment. Leave a comment. And as usual, if you're from Portmore, live in Portmore, used to live in Portmore, work in Portmore, leave a comment as well.